Managing job costs across multiple construction projects can get complicated fast, especially when materials, labor, and overhead are all moving at different speeds. This is the job costing module, where every project's cost sheets are tracked in one organized searchable list. Let's open one. Here's the foundation cost sheet for the Skyline Heights Residences project, linked to its project, its analytic account, and its customer, with a clear approval flow running from draft to confirmed to approved and finally done. Every cost line is organized under three tabs: materials, labors, and overhead. Each row shows the planned quantity, the unit of measure, the cost per unit, and side by side, the actual purchased quantity, the actual vendor quantity, and the actual requisitioned quantity, so nothing is hidden. Switching to the cost lines view gives a consolidated picture of every labor entry on the job, planned hours against actual timesheet hours, cost per unit, and the running totals for the sheet, all in a single sortable grid instead of scattered records. Now here's where it gets powerful. With the cost line selected, we launch the Create Material Requisition wizard directly from the cost sheet. It automatically fills in the employee, the department, and the requisition date, then lists every material, labor, and overhead line with its planned quantity ready for review. From here, actual requisition quantities can be entered line by line. For labor, that means site engineers, civil supervisors, masons, carpenters, steel fixers, electricians, plumbers, and equipment operators. For materials, it's cement bags, river sand, crushed aggregate, TMT steel bars, binding wire, concrete blocks, and shuttering sheets, each quantity matched to exactly what's needed for this stage of work, nothing more, nothing less. The same detail control applies to overhead items: tower crane rental, excavator rental, diesel fuel, the temporary site office, city equipment, water supply, electricity, site security, quality testing, and waste disposal. So every cost bucket is accounted for before the requisition goes out. One click on Create Material Requisition, and a brand new requisition record is generated instantly, fully linked back to the originating cost sheet with no manual re-entry required. The requisition follows a clear, auditable approval flow: new, waiting department approval, waiting IR approval, approved, picking or purchase created, and finally received, with direct smart button access to the internal picking and the purchase order it generates. The requisition form itself carries full context along with it: employee, department, company, requisition date, construction project, and analytic account, with dedicated tabs for requisition lines, picking details, other information, and materials or BOQ cost, plus a chatter log for notes and activity tracking. Once the requisition is raised, those actual quantities flow straight back into the job cost sheet lines automatically, so planned versus actual is always visible at a glance, line by line, without switching screens or reconciling spreadsheets. And back on the cost sheet, everything rolls up in real time: a total material cost of over $66,000, a total labor cost near $57,000, a total overhead cost above $174,000, combining into one clear grand total cost for the entire job. Every requisition raised again